Evening everyone, Lewis Bittle here. Just wanted to do a live video vlog tonight. Just basically, I'm doing something a little bit different at the moment. I've changed things up a little bit. So the last time you would have seen me in vlogs, I've always used glue, which has always worked fine for me. I've had obviously a hair system now for like 2 years. But I wanted to change things up a little bit, and I wanted to do something which hopefully people will find a little bit more easier to maintain. It all depends on what people find works for each other. But basically what I've done this time is had tape surround through the whole of the actual hair system as well as the front. Now my hair now has been on for a week, so I just wanted to show you how well the tape has held for the duration of a week, because some people say after sort of a week's time they start seeing the glue starts lifting and you can start basically getting exposure on the front of the hairline. But I've had mine on for a week now, so I wanted to give you an insight of what it's like. And tonight is hair wash night, so I'm going to show you how to basically do a simple wash and then get out of the shower, and I'll show you how to blow dry it. Thanks. Hey everyone, so I'm out of the shower, as you can see, in all my glory. And I wanted to do a video of the blow dry, the process and the best way to do the blow dry, just to basically make sure you're getting the maximum sort of out of your hair system when you do a blow dry. Now, when I get out of the shower, I religiously always go by the Jorgen leave-in conditioner, which you can purchase from Hair for All. I strongly recommend you get this. It gives you basically maximum lifeline in your hair system, keeps it in really good condition, because we all know it isn't live hair, so you need to basically make sure that you're keeping it as treated as much as possible to get the maximum lifeline. Then what I'll do is I always basically brush through the hair, make sure I've got any of the knots out. There you go. And then what I do is I roughly blow dry over it, just to take the sort of the excess moisture out of the hair. You just want to roughly blow dry, taking your fingertips through the hair, just to basically get it a bit of a rough blow dry. You don't want it to be in too tense, because naturally this isn't going to be your hairstyle choice. Let's do it. Right, so this is the interesting bit, because what you want to do when you brush it back to get it into a place where you want to blow dry it, you obviously don't want to be basically lifting the front line of your hairline up. So what I do is I hold the front and I start brushing back as I'm going, and just pulling more and more hair back into my hands, going back as so. Like this. Just gently bringing the hair back like that. Because the hair will start basically attaching to the hair behind anyway, because it's wet. So you could do this, pushing the hairline down with the brush, like that. Now remember guys as well, what's amazing about this is I've got no glue holding this. It is all tape, which I am absolutely loving, because I find it a bit aggy sometimes having hair glue. Right, so what I'm going to do is blow dry it. Now blow drying it, I always go upside down, because if you want volume in your hair, the best way to get volume is to hang your head upside down and just blow dry it, and then keep bringing the brush up and doing this sort of movements, and it will basically give you sort of maximum exposure in getting the hair up. Right, here we go. Just run your hand through it. At this point, I'm going to pause you and then take me into the next video for styling. So basically, as I said, upside down, rough blow drying it, getting maximum height and volume. Okay guys, so that is my hair drying, as you can see. Now what I like to do, just put a bit of product in it. Now, as you can see, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but I always like to do my hair at night time, just to give the hair a little bit of settling. And basically, the reason I do this is I'll put product in it now, and allow me to set the hair into a bit of a shape. So then tomorrow, when I get out of bed, it will literally, I'll just brush it through a little bit and then put a bit more product in it, and it just basically is set it into a certain shape of what I would want it to do, because I don't like my hair to look too perfect, because too perfect hair looks fake. So products I use on my hair are two products: Bedhead, hard to get, and Tresemme. Now this one is the highest hold hairspray you can probably get on the shop floor, but I think it's personally the best because it basically gives you obviously ultimate hold. So what I do in terms of this, I get about that much product. That's a bit too much. Like that. I run this through my hands. Like so. Now for me, this is a bit too immaculate, but what you'll find is tomorrow morning, it'll be in a good place, trust me. And then I'll get my brush and just kind of do this. And then what I'll do, so I'm going to add my hairspray. Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, why is he putting hairspray in it when he's about to go to bed? But, like I said, it will work out fine for the morning, trust me. And that is how you blow dry a hair system. Thanks guys.